right, Mac, let's see what you can do. Just the thing in mind, all right. Look at that. I thought I said something nice.
She's got a nice design. It's flat. You can sit on it.
She can sit on it. Well, you don't want to take that home, do you? No. No. Maybe a little bit nicer? Okay, thanks. Come on up here. Look what he's got for you. He made you a rocking chair. Let's hear it for this lady up here. Give her a big round of applause. Thank you very much. Hey, thanks again to our wonderful sponsor, Husqvarna. If you'd like a show like this in your town, come visit us at www.wcls.ca. We are the West Coast Lumberjack Show, and I'm Jamie Cummings. Thanks for coming out, guys. Have a wonderful day.